Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay with Venmo. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the MoonPay app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this Buy option and you will see all of the cryptocurrencies. Here, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, in our case it is Bitcoin, and then enter the amount you wish to buy. Then click on Continue. Here, enter your wallet address and tap Continue to move forward. Next, tap Add Payment Method and choose Venmo from the available options. Now, if you don't see Venmo, that means it's not available in your region or state. Tap Continue to Venmo and you'll be redirected to the Venmo app. Complete the Venmo authentication process, then select your preferred payment method within Venmo and tap Confirm. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected back to MoonPay. Finally, tap Pay in MoonPay to complete and finalize your transaction. And that's it. So that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin on MoonPay with Venmo. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.